To use home credit in Lazada for your purchase, follow these steps. Log into Lazada. Open the Lazada app or visit the Lazada website. Log into your account using your email, phone number, or Lazada credentials. Browse and select items. Browse for products on Lazada and select the ones you want to purchase. Check that the product is eligible for home credit payment option, as not all items may qualify. Add to cart and proceed to checkout. Add your desired items to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Ensure the delivery details are correct. Choose payment method. On the payment page, choose home credit as your payment method. If you are a new user, you will need to apply for home credit. If you are already approved, simply select your available installment plan. Complete the application process. For new applicants, fill in your personal information, upload necessary documents, and submit the application. Wait for home credit's approval. Confirmation and order completion. Once approved, choose the payment terms and complete your purchase. You will be able to pay for your order in monthly installments.